In life, every step we take, every path we choose, is defined by one thing: decisions. Decisions shape our destiny, determine our success, and define who we are. Join us as we explore the power of decision-making, uncovering the secrets to making the right choices and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Decisions are the brushstrokes on the canvas of life, painting our destiny. Life is a canvas, and each decision is a stroke of boldness or hesitation. Decisions are the compass points that navigate our journey through the wilderness of life. In the symphony of life, decisions are the conductor's baton, arranging our destiny. Decisions are the seeds we sow in the garden of life, nurturing our dreams into reality. Decisions are the melodies we compose in the songbook of life, harmonizing with our soul's purpose. Decisions are the whispers of fate, guiding us towards our destined paths. Decisions are like stars. They illuminate the darkest nights of uncertainty. The art of decision-making is mastering the dance between heart and mind. Decisions are the seeds we plant today, bearing the fruits of tomorrow. Every decision is a leap of faith into the unknown, trusting in our ability to navigate. Decisions carve the path of our destiny, shaping the sculpture of our lives. In the realm of decisions, hesitation is the enemy and courage is the champion. Decisions are the architects of our dreams, constructing bridges to our aspirations. The echo of decisions reverberates through the corridors of time, shaping the narratives of our existence. In the realm of decisions, the bold conquer, while the hesitant ponder. Decisions are like bridges. They connect our dreams to reality. The art of decision-making lies in dancing with uncertainty, yet moving forward with conviction. Decisions are like fingerprints, unique imprints shaping the identity of our journey. Decisions are the waves we ride upon the ocean of opportunities, steering towards our destination. Decisions are the threads that weave the tapestry of our fate, crafting the story of our legacy. Decisions are the stars that illuminate the night sky of uncertainty, guiding us towards dawn. Decisions are the arrows we shoot into the horizon of possibility, aiming for greatness. Decisions are the wings that lift us from the ground of mediocrity, propelling us towards greatness. When making a decision of minor importance, I have always found it advantageous to consider all the pros and cons. In the tapestry of life, decisions are the vibrant threads that weave the story of our existence. Decisions are the fuel that propels the engine of life, driving us forward towards our dreams. Decisions are the heartbeat of life's adventure, pulsating with the thrill of possibility. Life is a journey of decisions, each one carving a path towards our destiny. Decisions are the milestones that shape the narrative of our life story, guiding us through its twists and turns. If you want to listen to Mark Twain's quotes, then click on the video on the right hand.